They get so heavy. Sleep, sleep, sleep. 10 times deeper. Relax your body, relax your mind. When I drop the sand, you go 10 times deeper. Sleep. The and previous experience of your life that is affecting your behavior today.
It's a memory of when I was a child.
About to change your life, Louise?
Thank you. I hope so. I hope you changed my life.
Let's see.
Nice. That does everything.
And look at this beautiful background.
Love the background. Love the background.
It's perfect. So you already saw how I did it with the other girls.
Yes.
It's very simple. You just have to.
Just gotta put my hair right for the camera.
You just have to. There's two important things. You know already what hypnosis is. I don't need to explain it again. You have to believe in it and you have to trust me. If you do these two things, you're gonna see magic.
Amazing.
Okay? Just follow my instructions. Do the same thing as I do.
Okay.
It's together. The more you focus on my voice, the closer your fingers get. Even more. The stronger. More, even more. There's a next level tightness going on. Look at them. Yes. Now put your hands like this. Let your mind drift away and let the helium balloons pull your hand higher and higher and higher, even higher to the sky. You don't even feel that arm anymore. It just drifts away. And your hand gets even higher. So high. And now I want you to open your eyes and look at your hands. This is the power of your mind, you know? So whatever your mind believes becomes reality. So now, are you left-handed or right-handed?
Right.
Give me your right hand. Now look into the middle of your hand, okay? They get so heavy. Sleep, sleep, sleep. 10 times deeper. Relax your body, relax your mind. When I drop the sand, you go 10 times deeper. Sleep. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, you go 10 times deeper. Sleep, sleep. Let your mind go, let your body go. Your body is so relaxed, your mind is so relaxed. You focus only on my voice and you blend out everything else. Take another deep breath in, and as you exhale, you go 10 times deeper into this relaxed state of focused awareness. Sleep, sleep, sleep. Be comfortable in that place. Let completely go. You're so relaxed. You enjoy this relaxed state of awareness. Sleep, sleep, sleep. 10 times deeper. Gonna see a previous experience of your life that is affecting your behavior today.
It's a memory of when I was a child and I was singing and my friend's dad walked in, embarrassed,
What else?
ashamed.
I want you to feel that emotion of embarrassment now. Go back into that emotion, go back into that experience. I want you to really feel that experience that you literally experienced when you were 11 years old, and make that emotion 10 times stronger. Even more. Make it more intense. You have to really feel it in order to make changes. That 11-year-old, and tell her what she needs to hear. Because that is actually not that deep, right? Would you agree with me?
Yeah.
So tell her what she needs to hear, and tell her that she doesn't need to feel embarrassed, and tell her that she's loved, and tell her that whatever that father of Nicole is doing is actually, it doesn't matter, and she doesn't need to feel that way, and she can actually just be happy, and she can just be cool with it. Just tell her what she needs to hear.
You are perfect just the way you are. You're so perfect and beautiful and authentic and expressive, and just keep expressing yourself, singing and dancing.
Now give her a hug. Go up to her and give her a hug. And give her a kiss on the cheek. Give her a kiss on the forehead. Tell her you love her. Tell her she's enough. Tell her she loves herself. Tell her she's beautiful.
I love you. You're so beautiful. You're perfect.
How does that 11-year-old feel now?
Happy,
What else?
just accepted.
Even more. Feel that good feeling going through your body from the top of your head to the tip of your toes. Let that emotion go through your body. Because that emotion of embarrassment is gone forever. You will never feel embarrassed again because you love yourself and you're authentic and you know you're doing things with right intentions and you love yourself, and if you do things with right intentions, there's no reason to feel embarrassed. So I want you to make that emotion 10 times stronger now. Feel it. She's so happy, she's so loved, she's so beautiful. Take another deep breath. Hold it. Take another deep breath. And slowly exhale through your mouth. And when I count to 3, you're slowly coming back and open your eyes. Hi.
Hi.
How you feeling?
I'm feeling pretty good.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm feeling pretty good.
Interesting. Did you ever expect you will remember that experience?
I didn't know what to expect
Yeah.
because I didn't come in with any intention
Yeah.
for the hypnosis.
But is there
I expected it's not surprising because this scene has come up multiple times in my life,
yeah.
again and again and again,
Yeah.
because it was really impactful in my childhood
Yeah.
and made me feel scared.
But it's so interesting, right? So the experience was that her father literally made faces, right? And it made you feel that certain way. And even 10 years later, 15 years later, you're still thinking about that experience.
Yeah.
How crazy is that, right?
It's wild. It's wild
Yeah.
that one experience like this has impacted my whole life.
Yeah.
Because what it did is it actually made me feel scared of singing around other people and self-conscious.
Yeah.
And it's taken me years to unwind that and be accepting of my voice and my expression.
But now it's changed. Now you never need to feel that way again.
I'm free.
I'm so happy for you.
I'm like a bird. Free as a bird.
You did a great job.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Welcome to the Real Focus Show. You see, this is the power of your own mind. It's not me hypnotizing her. She's actually hypnotizing herself. I'm just guiding her through that experience. And you can make very profound changes with simple sessions like this. The quickest and easiest way in order to make big changes. And I hope to see you thrive through life and sing in front of the biggest crowds, you know?
Thank you.
Thank you. Enjoy your day, yeah?
Thank you. Yes, you too.
Bye-bye.
Bye.